Transform your cluttered spreadsheets into elegantly organized masterpieces by mastering the art of combining cells in Excel. So, you've got a bunch of cells packed with information that you'd love to present as one cohesive unit. It's a common need for headings, titles, or even just cleaning up your data. Let's dive into how easy it is to merge cells in Excel. First, identify the cells you want to combine. For this demonstration, we'll merge these 3 cells here to create a single title. With your desired cells selected, navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the alignment group. You'll find a very useful button here called Merge and Center. Simply click this button. Watch as your selected cells instantly combine into one larger cell by default. Merge and Center will also center your text within this new combined cell. But what if you don't want the text centered? Or perhaps you need to merge cells across columns but not rows. Click the small drop-down arrow next to Merge and Center for more options. Merge cells will combine the selected cells without centering the content. Merge across is fantastic for merging cells horizontally across multiple rows, maintaining each row's original alignment. So, for instance, if you select these cells and choose Merge Cells, the text will stay in its original position within the top left cell of the selection. If you've got a header that spans multiple columns but you want to keep each row's data separate, Merge Across is your best friend. And if you ever need to undo your merge, just select the newly merged cell or the original range, and click on Merge Cells from that same drop-down menu. There you have it, a simple yet powerful way to organize and present your data more effectively. Start merging and watch your spreadsheets transform.